Hey guys, what's going on? Jordan here from GameHand Productions, and today we are learning some things in Unity, specifically the project view, the hierarchy view, and the inspector. We're also going to be creating a project. This is the easiest part of Unity. It's pretty straightforward. This is the page from where we installed Unity, and you hit New. This is the create a project page. I'll go through some of these options here so you guys kind of have an understanding of anything that doesn't make any sense to you. But obviously the project name was pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty straightforward. It's what you're going to call your project. You can name it whatever. If your project is more of an idea and you kind of have a game idea, usually people name their projects after the mechanic. For the Unity version, this is all the versions of Unity that you have installed on your computer. If you're like me and you've been using Unity for a very long time, you have a lot of options. But if this is your first time, you just installed the newest Unity, the newest Unity beta, then you'd probably only see one version. The location, again, the location that the game folder will be created. Unity projects are separated into folders, and the whole folder will have all the stuff required for like all the assets, all the like all your prefabs, all your scripts, everything to project basically that's created within the Unity, like for the Unity project within Unity, will be in that folder under the project name. And the template is either 3D or 2D, and then they have some VR extras, AR and stuff. So they have a lot more options. Before it was only just 2D or 3D, and now they have a lot of other options. But today we're just going to be using plain 3D, and then we're going to hit create project. Actually, we're going to name this first tutorial project. Create project. Oh, cool. A new splash screen. This is the new 2018 splash screen. I have not seen it before. So this is actually the default Unity setup. This is how Unity usually comes. This is how it looks. Normally it's also not black. This is because this is the Unity Plus version. So we're going to be talking about the project view. The project view for Unity is down here in the defaults. This is where it is. It's where it lives. I usually like to extend it a little bit. But basically the project view for Unity is kind of like where all your stuff sits. So when you create things, usually like physical objects, like all the 3D models, the sound assets, the scripts you create, the shaders, anything that you create to be put into the game world, usually sits in your project folder. This can sit in any folder format. So however you have them laid out, you can have them just all purely in the asset folder, or you can have them kind of laid out in a more systematic manner, which most people kind of do to make it easier to read. For example, let's say I wanted to write a script for this project. I would come in here, I would create a folder and call it scripts. And after that, you'd have a folder called scripts, and any scripts you create, you would put into this folder. Another example is, let's say I want to add in 3D models. So now you create a new folder in here called models. This kind of just allows you to sort out all of this stuff that you import into your project or create from your project, like prefabs and whatnot, and have an easier way of sorting them out. You can also create folders within folders. So it's very simple to keep track of your stuff. So you can have really deep folders where, let's say you have models, and then you have this one character, then you have all the character variations, and then all you have the different colors for each variation. And you can have levels of models, and it makes it really easy to keep track of. Granted, on the left here, we'll get a little bit, long when you have the list kind of slowly cascading, but that's any file management. You'll have that cascading level, and it becomes kind of, a bit much when you have a lot of stuff in a big project, but it's very easy to manage this way. Unity's default, they create a scene project. This is in 2018. They don't normally do this in 2017. They don't have an extra thing there. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to the tutorial. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments how we did. We're always open for feedback. But yeah, guys, thanks. Have a nice day.